Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get money from Google by answering quick surveys. The Google Opinion Rewards app from time to time will give you surveys that comprise a few simple questions. It's mostly based on your shopping habit and comes from market researchers. The rewards you get won't pay your bills, but each survey rewards anywhere from 6 pence to £1 for a few seconds of your time. It may seem small, but it can add up fast, and you can get movie rentals or buy a couple of games on the Play Store. iOS and iPadOS users can be paid from a PayPal account. For this tutorial I'll be using my Android smartphone, but you can use other devices including iPhones. If you are an iPhone user, you will need to use the App Store to download the Google Opinion Rewards app. The first step is to download the Google Opinion Rewards app from the Play Store, tap open the Play Store and type in Google Opinion Rewards. Tap the app and then tap install. Once it is finished downloading, tap open. Tap next. Tap next again. And then tap done. Now choose a Google account you have linked with the phone. Tap OK. You now need to confirm your personal information, which includes your postcode or zip code. Tap Continue. The Google Opinion app will now ask you a series of demographic questions. Tap the ones that best match you. Tap Continue. Once you're finished with the survey, you can wait for new surveys to show up. You'll usually see them when you get a notification from the Google Opinion app. When you get the notification, tap it. Most surveys begin with an explanation of how the specific data is used. Tap OK, got it. Next, you'll see a set of questions. These should differ from one survey to another. Once you're finished answering the questions, you'll see how much credit you've received as a reward. Longer surveys will get more money and higher rewards. Once everything is set up, all you have to do is wait for surveys to hit your phone. You also get more surveys the more you go out of your house. I know that has not been easy in the last year. Some stores will give you a survey every time you visit. If you stay at home most of the time, you probably won't see many surveys. It should also be mentioned, if you want to keep your data as private as possible, this app isn't for you. Google will use your data to customize ads for you on top of third-party marketing companies using it for analysing your current shopping habits. As long as you're comfortable with that, enjoy your rewards.
You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.